chat baru.
Lupa sila. Yate, makasya niya. Animal!
Batis ng katotohanan, magpakita ka sa akin.
Ano ang Si ate nasa ospital. Ano man? Nurse man siya.
Yan matagal pa yan niya. Saglit na lang. Nangalay na kasi ako yun.
How much did that fresh Rolex set you back?
I know what?
Oh, I pull men, I pull women, yo. Guess what I'm about to go pull?
Un video más para perder el tiempo, mi gente. Les tengo buena noticia a todos mis seguidores.
¡No lo diga! ¡No lo diga!
Sarah gelo, Kier gelo, goblok.
Hey, why that fucking ground moving? Hey, oh my god. Hey, why the fucking ground moving?
It's just the escalator.
Why the fuck is the ground?
Watch how that boy chewing that bubble gum. That boy chewing that bubble gum. That boy chewing that bubble gum. Look at that boy chewing that bubble gum. Do that boy chewing that bubble gum.
Ya, apa-apa. Ano, nasa limuang ng baboy.
Go. Alright guys, make yourself at home. Okay.
What the fuck?
Tangina, nakita mo lang boysen yung balde namin, di ka na nag-chat ah. Tangina, kumawata ako sa'yo. Tapos nakita mo lang cup noodles yung baso namin.
¿Por qué nos gusta tanto este deporte? ¿Por qué tenemos esta obsesión? Esta locura.
Please, goddamn, I was just trying to finish it. I couldn't get up here. Oh my god.
Wara, dagan yung sulot, dagan! Dagan yun! Igo, bang! Patay, sukarat, wala ka ba?
It is just cold as can be out here.
I just shit my pants because one of these little bats just flew.
Paano bang mabibiling itong kalamansi nito para gawin sa usawan? Napakatamis. Ang lasa eh. Akala mo ka kumakain ng kiyat-kiyat. Ito mo nga, oh. Napakatamis pa yun.
Jungs, endlich am Heimweg. Ich sollte gleich beim Auto sein. Ich hoffe, es passiert nicht.
Ты чё, бороться хочешь? Давай поборемся, давай, чё, давай. Смелый, что ли? Смелый, блядь.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling-a-ring-a-ting-a-ting-a-ling-a-too. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-a-dong-a-ding.
Ganda nun ah. Parang kay Lebron. Tangina sa akin, pamana.
Oh, damn. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Ah, yeah, let me see my cheese pull. Ow. Let me try mine. My cheese fell!
This is an intake. This is your intake manifold. This is a breather. That's where your air filter goes, and this is your mass airflow sensor. You got that? All right. So these are headlights. He has an old vehicle, so they pop up and down. They're really cool. This is your radiator. And hang on. Let me come over here.
Alright. I say, when we down mom, we had to by that show.
Why you ain't accept my friend request, bro? What, you don't want to be my friend?
To you. From Ninong, Christmas greetings.
Ay, salamat. Bigyan din ng ampaw, putang. Ano yan, Gray, ha?